Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAZIMIN bin HAZIZAN. Today, I and my group members will presenting about hybrid electric and fuel cell vehicle. First, thank you for Dr. Muhammad Fazil because give we a chance to presenting about this topic. After doing some discussion and brainstorming about the topic hybrid electric and fuel cell vehicle, we all agree to using the Toyota Prius. Okay, first I want to tell about the layout of the Toyota Prius and the working principle. Toyota Prius is using the plug-in hybrid PHEV. What is the plug-in hybrid? PHEV. Plug-in hybrid, as the suggestion, the plug-in into the main in order to fully recharge its battery. Besides that, PHEV also can be run just electrical mode. Okay. Second, the plug-in hybrid PHEV also have a traction battery and also can be charged through a power outlet or we going to the charging system. Okay, as the result, the plug-in hybrid can be drive in 100 km slowly without using the internal combustion engine, ICE. Okay, next is the battery management system strategies. What is battery management system? Battery management system is the any electronic system that manage a rechargeable battery. Okay, there are three main common objectives to all battery management system. First is to protect the cell of the battery from the damage, and the second is to prolong the life of the battery. Third is to maintain the battery in the state which is it can be full the function requirement of the application for which it is specific. Okay, the battery management system are more using the lithium battery. What is the lithium battery? Lithium ion battery is the type of rechargeable battery. Lithium battery is commonly using for the portable electronic and electric vehicle. And now, the lithium-ion battery are growing in popularity for military and aerospace application. Okay, the function of the battery in the electric vehicle car is to generate electrical energy storage system in the form of the direct current electric DC. It will get a signal from the controller. The battery will flow the DC electrical energy to the inverter to be used to drive the motor. This is the function of the battery in the electric car. Okay, this is the Toyota Prius battery specification. The first is battery assembly voltage. There are 346 volt. And the number of lithium ion battery cell in the battery is 288 cell. Lithium ion battery cell voltage for each is 3.6 volt. And the lithium ion battery assembly weight for the Toyota Prius is 151.1 kilogram.
Assalamualaikum, I'm REDZMAN bin RIDZUAN, VB19021. I will explain more about Toyota Prius electric motor, the specification and the motor control strategies. One of the vital elements of this type of a vehicle is the engine of electric motor, since it must have a high power density and a good behavior at a high rev. Toyota, our leading brand electric vehicle, use for traction a permanent magnet synchronous motor in their Toyota hybrid system. A permanent magnet synchronous motor (PMSM) uses a permanent magnet embedded in the steel rotor to create a constant magnetic field. The stators carry winding connected to an AC supply to produce a rotating magnetic field as in an asynchronous motor. Next, a Toyota Prius electric motor (PSMS) specification uses double overhead cam 16 valve Atkinson cycle 1.8 liter inline 4, 96 horsepower, 105 pound-feet. For the front side, permanent magnet synchronized AC motor is used with a 71 horsepower and 120 pound-feet. For the rear, induction AC motor is used with a 7 horsepower and 40 pound-feet with combined output 121 horsepower, 1.3 kWh. It also using a nickel metal hydrogen battery pack. Next, Toyota Prius motor control strategy. During stop, when not moving, all units stop and there is no wasted energy consumption. Next, during starting off, the electric motor drive quietly and smoothly. After that, at the low speed running, the electric motor is used to achieve low fuel consumption. After that, acceleration during acceleration. Electric motor drive is combined with the engine drive in a rotation range with the good efficiency to drive the vehicle powerfully with the low fuel consumption. After that, during normal drive, the engine drive the vehicle and charge at the same time. Energy efficiency is raised during this time. Lastly, deceleration, energy recovery. During deceleration, the rotation of the tire drive the motor to create or to generate electricity to store the power into the battery for reuse. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad ALIF bin Ahmad TAKIM and my ID number is VB19019. Today I would like to talk about key features of Toyota Prius 2021 Hybrid. So let's go into the first. Number one is Smart Flow Climax Control System. Is designed for a maximum efficiency that's only send airflow to occupy seats. So the number two is a touchscreen audio multimedia system with Apple CarPlay with compatibility, which connect driver to Apple Music, Maps, Messenger and other favorites app for your iPhone. So Toyota Prius now also include Android Auto compatibility, which make it easy to stay connected to Android device. So the number three I would like to highlight is a standard adaptive front lighting system and a color head-up display that projects vehicle information in a line of sight. Next, Toyota also add convenience like QI compatibility wireless charging, which is a very convenient for the user, and also smart key system for easy entry to the vehicle. Most greater features an intelligent clearance sonar system, that is IMS, that alert driver to surrounding object and can automatically brake to avoid collision at a slow speed. Lastly, that I want to highlight in intelligent parking assist, that's called as IPA, so the driver can let the car take the wheel when squeezing into the tight spot. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
I would like to present about Toyota Prius performance that was claimed by the manufacturer. The first one is hybrid system net power is 121 horsepower, equal to 90 kilowatts. As we know that based on the engine Prius horsepower have a two power output, which is the engine and motor. Manufacturer claim 121 horsepower which are equal to 90 kilowatt. Hybrid system net power refer to actual brake torque power output, which is combined together and get 121 horsepower and on wheel. Toyota Prius using electronic on-demand compare all-wheel drive AWDE, having a small electric motor in the rear of the car that handles driving the rear wheels. The automatic on-demand AWDE system does not require a center differential or other torque apportioning device, nor does it need a front-to-rear driveshaft. The Prius AWD used an independent electric magnetless rear motor to power the rear wheels from to 6 mph, then when they need up to 43 mph. The last one is fuel consumption performance, which is mileage estimate MPG, city, highway and combined, 51/47 for 49. I then convert to 100 km per liter is 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers. This is because CVT is always adjusting itself to find the perfect gear ratio. So such system are natural choice, a state of the art of hybrid. Then a permanent magnet AC synchronized motor forms the heart of hybrid system to output up to 71 horsepower, which is equal to 53 kilowatt. Finally, intelligent alter the timing of valve movement within your Toyota Prius engine to maximize both efficiency and performance. My name is MUHAMAD ZAKI from VB1004. I would like to present on the safety feature on this model. The first is vehicle proximity notification system, which is the electric vehicle warning sounds are designed to alert pedestrians. This is because when the hybrid mode on the car are extremely quiet compared to the vehicle powered by the engines, the system automatically engage when the vehicle is operating in hybrid mode and the vehicle is moving at speed less than 50 mph. The system will shut off when the gasoline vehicle powered using an engine power and the vehicle speed exceeds 15 mph. The second one is blind spot monitor, which is the indicator on the side rear view mirrors that will light when there is an object in the blind spot. The blind spot detection system uses a radar sensor in the rear of the vehicle. These sensors are normally behind the rear bumper on each side. Radar sensor work by sending radio waves that are reflected off by the object. The time it takes radio wave to return indicate how far the object is, how big the object is, and what direction the object is traveling. The third one is engine immobilizer. The engine immobilizer is a state-of-the-art anti-thief system. When you insert your key into the ignition switch to the vehicle, the key transmits an electronic code to the vehicle. The engine will only start if the code in the transponder chip inside the key match the code in the vehicle immobilizer. The next one is hill start assist control. Actually, this function HAC assist in keeping a car from rolling backward when stopped on a hill. Sensors in the vehicle are used to detect when the vehicle is on and uphill. The hill start assist maintains the brake pressure for a set period time as you switch from the brake to the gas pedals. Once you press the accelerator, it releases the brake. The next one is lane keeping assist warning departure. Actually, the function is lane keeping assist. Use a video camera to detect the lane markings ahead of the vehicle and to monitor the vehicle position in its lane. If the vehicle distance to the lane marking falls below a defined minimum, the system steps function, which is the driver gets a warning, a visual alert plus added an audible tone, a vibration at the steering wheel. In vehicle with electric power steering, it gently but noticeably counters straight in order to keep the vehicle in the lane. The last one is service plug hybrid. Okay, actually the main fuse or high voltage circuit is in the service plug assembly, need to be off if you wanted service the battery or pack or wanted to live in your car in long period of time. These additional safety features used in previous model. Safety lines contain electrical and mechanical component. The safety line serves to ensure the entire high voltage supply is disconnected when one of the component is disconnected from the system.